Have you seen this giant piece of equipment in the Planet Fitness stretching area? It's called a true stretch cage, and it's a tool designed to help you stretch, improve your flexibility, and prevent injuries. It has a robust structural design that consists of a cage constructed from steel, forming a sturdy rectangular frame. It has multiple horizontal and vertical bars at different heights and angles, providing many levels of support for different stretches. It also has a foot platform at the base to help with balance. There's also a comprehensive guide showcasing different static stretches you can perform for your entire body. Static stretching is when your muscles are stretched to a point of tension and held in that position for 10 to 30 seconds or longer to improve flexibility. Seeing all of these stretches might make using this tool intimidating. However, I'm going to demonstrate 5 easy key stretches you can perform. Quadriceps stretch. To perform a quadriceps stretch, face away from the cage and place one foot behind you on a lower bar. Hold onto the frame for balance and gently push your hips forward. Hold this position for about 10 to 30 seconds on one leg and switch. Hamstring stretch. To perform a hamstring stretch, face the cage and place one foot on a bar at hip height. Keep your legs straight and lean forward slightly, reaching for your toes. Hold this position for about 10 to 30 seconds on one leg and switch. Calf stretch. To perform a calf stretch, place your hands on the bars in front of you for support. Step one foot back and press your heel into the ground while keeping your leg straight. Bend the front knee slightly and feel the stretch in your calf. Hold for about 10 to 30 seconds and switch legs. Shoulder stretch. To perform a shoulder stretch, grab a bar at shoulder height with one hand. Turn your body away from the cage while keeping your arms straight. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds and switch arms. Lat stretch. To perform a lat stretch, hold onto a higher bar with both hands. Plant your feet on the ground and push your hips back with a slight bend in your knees, feeling the stretch run along the muscles at the sides of your back. Hold for 10 to 30 seconds. Those are just a few of the many stretches you can perform using the stretching cage. Are you going to give it a try? Let me know in the comments below. And check out my other Planet Fitness videos in the playlist on the left. Thanks for watching.